Today we'll be doing a brake lever replacement on the RS5. These are the tools you will need. And we will begin by removing the plastic covers just about here to expose the brake sensor connection. So once you have it off, locate the brake sensor connection and just pull it apart. Now remove the plastic cover off the brake line, and with our crescent wrench we'll go ahead and remove this screw right here. So loosen it all the way, and then you just pull it to remove the brake line off the brake lever. Now we want to keep the brake line straight up to avoid any fluid leaks. So you can tape it or use a zip tie or anything to keep the brake line straight up. Like so. Now we'll go ahead and remove our brake lever by removing these two bolts. We'll use a 4mm hex. Just remove both bolts. Now take your old brake lever off. Get your new brake lever. Make sure to install it to the left of the multifunctional control panel. So do the same process, screw in the bolts on the brake lever and tighten them at the angle you prefer to have your brake lever. So once you have it installed, we can grab our brake line and screw it back into the brake lever. So all you have to do is push the brake line in and screw it back in. Now use your crescent wrench to get it tight. Don't forget to put your plastic cover back on. And now you can plug back in your brake sensor. Make sure it's aligned properly. Just plug it in. And finally, just wrap your wires with your plastic cover all around the connection.